Most people think Coca-Cola is just a drink, something you grab from the fridge without thinking twice. But what if I told you that this same dark soda can do something shocking inside your toilet? And no, this is not a joke, not a myth, and not one of those fake internet tricks. What you're about to see actually works, and by the end of this video, you'll understand why millions of Americans quietly use Coca-Cola as a secret weapon against toilet stains they thought were permanent. Before we do anything, take a good look at your toilet bowl. That brownish ring around the waterline, the rust-colored streaks, the dull surface that never looks fully clean no matter how much you scrub. That's mineral buildup. It comes from hard water, old pipes, and time. Most store-bought cleaners promise instant results, but they often just bleach the surface and leave the real problem behind. Coca-Cola works differently, and that's why this trick surprises people every single time. Here's the key thing you need to understand first. Coca-Cola contains phosphoric acid. It's mild, but it's strong enough to break down calcium, lime, and rust deposits. Those are the exact things that cause toilet rings and stains. That's why this method works best on older toilets and stubborn stains that refuse to disappear. And the best part? You don't need any special tools or expensive products. Just a regular bottle of Coca-Cola. Now, do not flush yet. This is important. You want the water level in the bowl to be low so the Coke can actually touch the stains. If the water level is high, pour a bucket of water into the bowl to force it down. This small step makes a huge difference, and most people skip it. That's why they think the trick doesn't work. Once the water level is low, slowly pour the Coca-Cola around the inside of the bowl, focusing directly on the stained areas. Don't rush this. Let the Coke coat the porcelain like a dark syrup. At this moment, something interesting starts happening, even if you can't see it yet. The acid in the Coke is reacting with the mineral deposits. It's slowly loosening them, softening them, and breaking their grip on the porcelain. This is not instant magic, so don't scrub right away. Patience is what turns this from a silly trick into a powerful cleaning method. Let the Coca-Cola sit for at least 30 minutes. For heavy stains, even longer is better. While you're waiting, think about this: you're not breathing in harsh chemical fumes, you're not risking damage to your toilet, and you're not scrubbing like crazy. The Coke is doing the hard work for you. And when time is up, this is where things get satisfying. Take your toilet brush and gently scrub the areas where you poured the Coca-Cola. You'll feel it immediately. The brush moves easier. The stains don't fight back the way they used to. That's how you know it's working. Now flush the toilet and watch closely. As the water swirls, the stains that looked permanent just moments ago start to fade or disappear completely. In many cases, the ring is gone on the first try. If the stains were very old, repeat the process once more. But most people are shocked by how much cleaner the bowl looks after just one round. The porcelain appears brighter, smoother, and noticeably cleaner. But here's something most videos don't tell you. Coca-Cola is great for breaking down stains, but it's not a disinfectant. That means this method is perfect for stain removal, not for killing all germs. After using Coca-Cola, it's a smart idea to do a quick follow-up clean with your regular toilet cleaner or hot water. This gives you the best of both worlds: deep stain removal and proper sanitation. Let's talk safety for a moment. Never mix Coca-Cola with bleach or other chemical cleaners. Always rinse the bowl first if you plan to use another product afterward. And don't pour Coke into the toilet tank, only use it in the bowl. These simple rules keep this method safe and effective. So why don't more people talk about this? Because it sounds strange. Pouring soda into a toilet feels wrong until you see the result. That's what makes this trick so powerful. It challenges what people think they know about cleaning. It proves that sometimes the solution isn't stronger chemicals, but smarter chemistry. If your toilet has light stains, this method works surprisingly fast. If your stains are heavy and old, Coca-Cola becomes the first step that makes everything else easier. Either way, it saves time, effort, and frustration. And once you try it, you'll never look at that bottle of Coke the same way again. This isn't about replacing cleaners forever. It's about knowing a trick that works when nothing else does. And now that you know it, you're ahead of most people. Because the cleanest homes aren't owned by people who scrub harder, they're owned by people who clean smarter.